Welcome to Teacher Lola Rose channel. This is my grandma, Lola Rose.
This is my grandson, Roro.
Good morning,
good afternoon,
good evening, mga higala!
Alright. What is our topic for today, Roro?
Our topic for today, mga higala, is the upcoming game, Gilas Pilipinas versus the Georgian national team.
Gilas Pilipinas and Georgian
National team.
Alright,
Okay, let us begin.
Alright, start.
And
Reviews.
first, we will tell you who are the roster of Georgia, so that you will know. So as me, they have Rati Androni Kashvili, Sandro Mamukilashvili, a current NBA player, and Kahaberjint Karadsa, Tuko Shingela, George Korsancha, Alexandre Fevadse, Georgie Oshik, Hik, Kidj, Duda Sanadse, Joe Thomason, Ila Londarize, and Goga Bidatse, a current NBA player, and lastly, Luka Mazayshvili. Those are the 12-man roster of the Georgian national team for the Olympic qualifying tournament. And as I know of the NBA, there are two NBA players, Sandro Mamukilashvili and Goga Bidatse. Those two players are NBA players. They play well in the NBA. And also, both of them play in the NBA. And they both play well. And he plays in the San Antonio Spurs currently. And he averages 9.8 minutes, 4.1 points, 47.1 field goal percentage, 29.7 3-point percentage, 3.2 rebounds per game, 1.1 assists per game, and 0.2 steals per game in 46 games played. That is all he averages. And next is Goga Bidatse. His stats are 15 minutes and 16 minutes, 0.4 per game, 5 points per game, 60 field goal percentage, 14.3 3-point percentage, 4.6 rebounds, and 1.3 steals. Finally, steals, 1.5 steals, in a total of 62 games played. And he plays for the Orlando Magic. And he is a center, he's tall, and he's drafted. And he weighs 250 lb, pounds. That equals to 113 kilograms. Mga higala. And forgot to mention the weight of Sandro Mamukilashvili. Just Sandro. No need his Mamukilashvili. For now, he is drafted in the 2021. Just new. And he's young. He's 25 still. But he's older than Kai Soto. And his weight is 109 kilograms. He is lighter by 4 kilograms by Goga Bidatse. And it means that they are strong.
Yes.
And he is buff. Also Goga Bidatse. They are well. And Gilas Pilipinas will face them today 8:30 p.m. Make sure to watch mga higala. And if we win that game, we will go to the OQT semifinals. If we win.
If not,
If we lose by 37 points, we will not. But if we lose less than 37 points, we still go to the semifinals. Mga higala. It's better for us to win back to back so that we will be the first rank in our group. So we will face the second rank in the other group. So that we would be the higher one instead of them being the higher one and us being the lower one. It will be first versus second. Then first versus second. Yeah, that. Mga higala. And Sandro Mamukelashvili, he plays well in the San Antonio Spurs. And he plays in the Seton Hall University before. Not anymore now. And he is 23 years old. 1 year older than Kai Soto. He's young. But the youngest is Mason Amos. Just 20 or turning 20. Mason Amos. And we will see the Twin Towers of Georgia face the Twin Towers of Philippines. Goga Bidatsi and Sandro Mamukelashvili versus Kai Soto, Junmar Fajardo. Will it? Yes, of course it will happen because the roster is already revealed that those two NBA players are there. NBA players versus... If we win, it would be great. If we lose, it's also okay because we won't be eliminated. And we are gonna go to the semifinals if we win tomorrow. If we win at 8:30 p.m. And if we don't lose by 37 points and above, because we would be eliminated. But if we lose less than 37 points, not eliminated. It's Georgia that will be going home to Georgia. And not anymore gonna come back. Maybe just gonna watch. Yeah, mga higala. Gilas Pilipinas, if you don't know yet, they have shocked the whole world. Even One Sports posted, ginulat ang whole world. They posted. And also, the FIBA posted 13 hours ago, Gilas Pilipinas upset Latvia and claimed their first win against European opposition in an official FIBA competition since 1960. 1960. 1960. I repeated 1960. And now it's 2024. That is very long. That is very long. It is 64-year wait. So many years and not even alive. And Justin Brownlee, player of the game, 26 points, 9 rebounds, 9 assists, a triple-double. A triple-double by the Magic Brownlee, naturalized player of Gilas Pilipinas. And I think that's all I can say, mga higala. Hope you watch till the end to know everything. Make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe because I checked that only 96% of you are not subscribed. And then only 3% are subscribed. So I hope the subscribe goes to 96 and the not subscribed will go to 3%. Thank you. Bye. Make sure to subscribe so it will be flipped instead. Yeah, bye.